Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, kakain tayo sa Ramen Nagi. Okay, let's go! Okay guys, so matatagpuan ng Ramen Nagi sa O Square, Ortigas Avenue. Actually, nasa loob lang siya ng Green Hills compound. Okay? So, kaya usually sinasabi namin Ramen Nagi Green Hills kasi nasa O Square siya, nasa loob lang siya ng Green Hills. Okay? Yan. Ito yung appetizer namin, pork katsu with shredded cabbage, of course. Alright, so a little bit on the dry side if you ask me. Okay, pero masarap pa rin siya, pero nothing special.
Small version ng
Okay. And of course, ang highlight ng ating ramen. Ang in-order ko is twice spicy, okay, and firm noodles and very rich. Yun yung in-order natin. Okay, ang laki ng bowl guys. Promise, busog na busog kayo rito. Alright, so let's give it a taste. Ayan. So as I've said, a little bit on the dry side at nothing special yung pork katsu nila. Pero hindi naman yung pork katsu yung pinunta natin doon. Okay, di ba? So yung ramen. Alright, let's try the ramen. Of course, soup muna. Okay. Ayan. As you can see, no? Mapula siya dahil medyo spicy yung inano natin. Hot and spicy. Yan. Pero hindi overpowering yung hot and spiciness niya guys. It's really rich, very flavorful at talaga namang napakasarap. Okay, nahihilig na nga ako masyado sa ramen eh. Yan, okay. So pakita ko sa inyo yung pork belly. Yan, ang kapal niya. Yan, sing laki ng lechong kawali. Yan. And of course, firm, perfectly cooked ramen noodles. Really good guys. If I were you, ita-try out ko to. Ramen Nagi restaurant, napakasarap. Yan. Sarap-sarap dyan. At of course, here's our bill. Okay guys, so thank you so much. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung video. Quick shoutout nga pala sa staff ng Ramen Nagi sa Green Hills. Napaka-bait nyo po, napaka-accommodating ng staff nila. Yung food server namin, si Angela, very accommodating din. At kahit napakadami mong tanong, alam mong hindi siya naiinis, she's really willing to help. Shoutout sa'yo. And to Ramen Nagi, thank you so much, and I hope lalong lumago ang business nyo. Thank you. So guys, if you have any other restaurants na may ramen or any Japanese or whatever food na you want me to try out, comment down below. And please feel free to put a like on this video, share, and subscribe. Okay? And turn on your post notification for a shout out. Okay? Have a good day guys. Thank you.